Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix missed call notification is not showing. So let's get started. Well, the first thing to do is to go to settings and then scroll all the way down till you get to apps option. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the second option, manage apps. After that, scroll all the way down till we get to phone, and then hit notifications. Here a list of options will appear, so here make sure that notification badges is toggled on. So if it is toggled off, then the missed notification won't show up. So make sure to turn on these options so the notification of missed call appears. And this is it. This is how to fix missed call notification is not showing. Thanks for watching. See ya.